Come on, Paige. Go, come on.
Go.
No, you.
Start. No!
What the heck? How are you guys up there? Come on, Paige, go. Ah, one bullet in the chamber.
Nice.
Don't make me, Carson. Okay. Paige, go collect my bullets real quick. They're the blue ones.
Pause.
No, keep going. I got this. They're the blue ones, Paige. Super Nerf bullet. Oh, gotcha, Ben. Paige, hurry. Got my... Paige, hold it. Oh, crap. Haha. Sorry. Got to reload one bullet. Let's go. Ben, you're dead, right?
No, I'm not. You shot me in the leg. Carson, get your gun.
Does that kind of... Hey, got you in the chest, Carson. You're dead, man. Wait, no, I shot him, Paige. Did I shoot him in the chest?
Yeah.
That's a total fail right there. I'm holding a camera. Oh, thanks, Paige. Here. Oh, crap. Sorry.
Just drive him and run.
I'm trying.
There you go. Oh, thanks.
Blue one?
No.
Come on.
Here.
Thanks.
Thanks, Ben.
I don't care.
Who's on the green one?
Okay.
Here.
You keep going? Oh, we just pause for like bullet refill or something like that.
Yeah. And give me bullet.
Ben, you don't even have a bullet in your thing.
What happened to it?
It's right there. Dead.
No way.
Yeah. I was just recording this for my friend. Hi.
Okay, I'll climb up.
Okay. It's kind of like a first person. Can you grab that real quick? It's like shovel it in my pocket. Oh, there goes it.
Holy crap, what kind of gun is that?
I have no idea.
What?
Just find the blue ones. The dark one.
Those blue ones or this blue one?
Hey, got your leg. Hey, Carson's dead.
No, my shoulder!
Just grab the blue ones quick. The foam blue ones.
Oh,
The dark blue ones. Got you, Ben.
Oh, you got my shoulder.
What's with this crap about people shooting shirts? Yeah. Here, videotape the same real quick.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Of you?
Just like everything.
That's kind of difficult. Alright.
Here, hey!
Thanks.
Yeah. I killed him. I'm getting pulled. Ow! Sorry.
Carson, you're dead already. You can't move.
I'm getting pulled.
Wait, is Terry you're dead?
No, Harry's not dead.
Oh, there goes. Looks like I'm dead. Bye.